Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 168 Excel sheet column title. The problem statement is we are given a column number integer. We need to return the corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. In Excel, if you're not familiar, each column is represented by the characters A to Z, and if the column number is greater than 26, then we append one more character to it. For example, if the column number is less than 26, we use A to Z, but if it is 27 or 28, it becomes AA or AB. When I saw this problem for the first time, it seems like a medium problem because the solution is not straightforward in my mind. And now that I know how it can be solved after going through a couple of iterations, I feel it is an easy problem. Now let's switch to a whiteboarding and discuss how it can be solved. Normally, when we work with any number, those numbers are usually of the base 10. The digit at each position can be represented in the form of base 10. For example, with this number 126, 6 represents 10 raised to power 0, 2 represents 10 raised to power 1, and 1 represents 10 raised to power 2. We'll use the same approach to solve this problem. Because we are working with alphabets, there could be a total of 26 alphabets at the max, starting from A all the way to Z. So the base that we should be using is base 26. For a normal number, to figure out what is its corresponding base 10 representation, we use the mod and divide operation to figure out the value at each position. We'll use the same to solve this problem. Let's do a couple of calculations to understand how will this work. Let's take the input as 25. To calculate its position, we'll do a mod operation on 25. 25 mod 26, the output is 25 as the value is less than 26. 25's corresponding value is y, which will be our output. Because it is lower than 26, the divide operation will return 0, so we don't need to add anything at the character before y. Let's use a bigger number to cover that case as well. Let's use 28 as our input. We'll start by calculating its mod. 28 mod 26, output is 2. Its corresponding representation is B. Let's see if there are any values before it. 28 divided by 26 gives us 1. Its corresponding representation is A. Combining the two together, the output will be AB. Let's do a bigger number like 701. 701 mod 26 is 25. And its corresponding representation is Y, and 701 divided by 26 gives us 26, and 26's representation is Z, so our output is ZY. I hope you were able to understand this approach. After understanding how to do the base operation using 26, this problem doesn't seem like a difficult problem anymore. Let me show you how we can implement this using C#. Here is my solution in C#. I start by initializing the maps variable, which contains all of the characters starting from A to Z. I will use it to determine what is the corresponding character at a particular position. In the main method, I start by checking if the value of n is less than 27. Then I am calculating the corresponding position from the maps variable. If it is greater than 27, then I am calling the convert to title method again. But instead of passing n, I am dividing it by 26 and passing the result, and doing a mod operation on n and adding it to the string at the end. This solution, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 100% of the submissions made so far in terms of time complexity, and in terms of memory consumption, beats nearly 22%. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand this solution. The link to the source code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.